How to activate follower button on Facebook profile. So without wasting time, let's start video. Firstly, open the Facebook application and then you can see profile option. So just click on it and then click on three dot and here click on view as, and you can see there is no any follower options. So if you want to activate follower button on Facebook profile, so just go back and you can see three lines on the top right corner. So just click on it and then click on setting and privacy. So after this you can see setting options. So just click on it and then scroll down, and here you can see audience and visibility. So in audience and visibility you can see how people can find and contact you. So just click on it. So after this in first option, so you can see how who can send you friend request. So just click on it and select friends of friends. After this go back and then click on followers and public content. So here you can see who can follow me. So just click on it and select public options. So after this again you can see who can see your followers on your timeline. So just click on it and select publics. So after this here you can see who can see people page and list you follow. So click on it and select only me. So after this here you can see who can comments on your public post. So just click on it and select friends of friends. So after this you can see a public post notification. So just keep it as a public. So after this click on public profile info. So select here friends of friends. So after all setting go back. So after this again click on the profile options and then click on three dot. So after this click on view as, and here you can see follower button is activated on Facebook profile. So guys, in this way you can activate follower button on Facebook profile. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.